color Symphony. The materials required for this experiment are a plate, milk, dropper, food color. Friends, I have taken green, red, yellow and orange and some dishwashing liquid soap. So let's begin this experiment. Now pour a thin layer of milk into the plate. Now, take 4 to 5 drops of different food coloring. Now add dishwashing liquid soap over the drops of food color. You can see that the colors scatter. Do you know why this happens? Yes, the dishwashing liquid soap breaks down the fat present in the milk. This causes the color to scatter. Don't forget to give your likes and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.